key theme throughout August has been the adoption of biometrics by banks. Spain's CaixaBank is introducing 5 ATMs which use facial recognition to allow withdrawals, while NatWest is trialling voice technology that will allow customers to check their balance and transactions through spoken commands to their phone. August also saw BBVA announce that it will offer digital onboarding via biometric authentication everywhere it operates by the end of 2019. The rapid adoption of biometrics within the financial services industry is set to drive the value of the global biometric market, which some commentators estimate will reach anywhere between $35 billion to $40 billion in the next 5 years. On the topic of growth, it was revealed in August that in Q2 of this year, India overtook China for the number of FinTech deals. Despite being one of the most notable global FinTech hubs, China saw deals drop by 81% in the second quarter of the year, securing only 15 deals compared to India's 23. However, China still secured $375 million, $25 million more than India in overall funding. Over the next few quarters, India's growth is expected to continue, with at least 3 to 4 large deals underway, including Cred, LendingCart and Policy Bazaar. On top of this, in August alone, we have seen microlender Tala raise $110 million for its expansion in India, while WhatsApp has announced that it will launch its P2P unified payment service to users in India later this year. In other news, August saw a number of large European fintechs' plans to expand into the US materialise. The past few months have seen the likes of Monzo open a waiting list for US customers, and TransferWise taking its borderless banking account and debit card to the States. August has seen several additions to this trend, as N26 made its mobile banking app available to US customers following its beta testing, while Klarna raised $460 million in equity funding, which will be used to continue their rapid rise in the US market. In fact, the new funding makes Klarna the most valuable fintech in Europe at $5.5 billion. On a fintech hub perspective, August saw a number of developments in Israel. As an emerging and rapidly developing fintech market, Israel is looking to boost its competitive edge by changing the way fintech licenses are distributed. Currently, around 2,000 fintech and blockchain businesses are seeking licenses from the state regulator. Due to the build-up, the authority is setting up a licensing fast-track. August also saw Facebook announce the Israel launch of its Playground, a platform for local startups offering cutting-edge facilities with the aim of acting as a connection between Israeli startups and global customers, businesses and innovators.